Hold on, stop scroll. Stop scroll. If you're one of those persons where, regardless of what is happening, the only comment you can make on a post is that a JLP calls it, PNP calls it, that's what you voted for, I believe you're stupid. Yes. And if you feel away by that and you follow me, unfollow me, or you're stupid. Jamaica will not get better until people have learned to understand that, regardless of who you vote for, JLP or PNP, if the country is going bad, everybody are going to suffer. If the price of rice go up, it's not like I can go in there and say, oh, I didn't vote for JLP, so give me a lesser price. Oh, I didn't vote for PNP, give me a lesser price. Everybody are going to suffer. So when things are not going right in the country, instead of fighting your brother, your sister, your neighbor, your cousin, your uncle, instead of fighting them and say that that's what you voted for, everyone need to get up and protest. Everyone need to get up and demand change. As a matter of fact, when things are happening in our protest, only if you put them back the same green or orange them, so that both parties can understand this is not just one specific side of the country is having a problem. It's the entire country. It's the government people. Regardless of what color is leading the government, it's the government. Both of them are a part of the government. A company I'm big on every day if you have sense. But to prove to me more and more every day so no sense. Stop comment and talk about that's what people voted for. Because the truth is most of who have voted are stupid. And you only come up and say, oh, that's what you voted for. You are stupid too. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?